Today on Packaged Food Gourmet, we're testing out the worst and the best rated pancakes from AllRecipes.com. The ratios for the worst recipe had me concerned because there was way too much liquid and not enough baking powder to get the pancakes to rise. Of course there's no vanilla in here. Why would there be? It doesn't seem like enough of a leavening agent, but maybe I'm wrong. This is so incredibly specific. I will follow the instructions as much as it pains me to follow the instructions. It looks like pancake batter so far. Oh, I think that's gonna be a watery. It's a lot of liquid. Oh.
Uh-oh.
We might have just gone wrong here. I think we should not added that much milk. That's just my opinion. Those are some curly edges. They kind of look like a little doily.
They like have the texture that they're done, but they also don't look done at the same time.
What's that? Yeah, is that edge like... It's kind of spongy. They ended up really flat, but unlike European pancakes, which are flat and delicious, these were rubbery and flavorless.
Okay, they're surprisingly hard to cut. They taste okay, they're just really chewy.
They're very chewy. On this channel, we love experimenting with the best and the worst recipes on the internet, so if you're enjoying this series, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We post a new video every Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific time. Unlike the worst recipe, the best recipe hit all the right notes. The batter was easy to make and the pancakes were fluffy, light, and yummy. We definitely recommend giving them a try. Yeah. It's a moment of truth.
Those are some good pancakes.
Right on. What best or worst recipes do you want to see? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.